Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Reviews First. Are you looking for the top 5 best mirror dash cams in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best mirror dash cams in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam backup camera is a powerful upgrade for drivers who want clarity, safety, and smart technology in one sleek device. Designed to replace your factory rearview mirror, the large 12-inch touchscreen delivers ultra-clear 4K front recording and sharp rear camera footage, ensuring every detail on the road is captured. Dual front and rear cameras provide full coverage, helping protect you during daily commutes, long trips, or unexpected incidents. With advanced night vision technology, the G840S performs reliably in low-light conditions, offering enhanced visibility after dark or in poor weather. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity allows for faster, more stable video transfer to your smartphone, making it easy to review, download, and share footage anytime. The smart rearview mirror design reduces blind spots and improves parking accuracy with a responsive backup camera display. Ideal for cars and trucks, the WOLFBOX G840S combines premium build quality, modern features, and dependable performance to deliver peace of mind on every drive. Number 2. The Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dashcam is designed to upgrade your driving experience with advanced safety, clarity, and convenience. Powered by the latest Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, the front camera records stunning 4K ultra-high-definition footage, capturing license plates and road details clearly even in low-light or night conditions. The 1080p rear backup camera provides a wide, reliable view to support safer reversing and parking. Built into a sleek rear-view mirror design, the S12 Pro blends seamlessly into your vehicle while offering a large, responsive touchscreen display. With ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, you can quickly connect to your smartphone to view, download, and share recordings without lag. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, deliver intelligent alerts such as lane departure and forward collision warnings, while blind spot detection, BSD, enhances awareness in busy traffic. Loop recording, G-sensor emergency locking, performance and modern technology during daily commutes and long road trips worldwide. Number 3. The AZDOME PG17 Max 4K plus 2.5K mirror dashcam is a powerful all-in-one driving companion designed for safety, clarity, and convenience. Featuring ultra-clear 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, it captures every detail on the road, day or night, ensuring reliable evidence when you need it most. The large 12-inch rearview mirror display provides a wide, crystal-clear view, enhancing visibility and reducing blind spots. Advanced driver assistance features such as ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, BSD, blind spot detection, and LCA, lane change assist, actively support safer driving by providing timely alerts during your journey. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can quickly transfer videos to your smartphone for easy viewing and sharing. The dash cam also supports voice control, allowing hands-free operation so you can stay focused on the road. Designed as a rearview mirror backup camera, the AZDOME PG17 Max combines smart technology, premium video quality, and modern safety features, making it an ideal upgrade for any vehicle. Number 4. The WOLFBOX 12-inch 4K rear view mirror camera is a powerful upgrade for safer and smarter driving. Designed as a full smart mirror dash cam, it records stunning 4K front video and clear 1080p rear footage, giving you detailed coverage of the road ahead and behind. The large 12-inch touchscreen provides a wide, unobstructed view, making lane changes, parking, and reversing easier and more confident. With advanced 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the camera ensures faster, more stable connections to your smartphone, allowing quick video transfers and easy settings control through the app. The built-in voice control lets you operate key functions hands-free, helping you stay focused on driving. Night vision technology enhances visibility in low-light conditions, while the backup camera delivers reliable assistance when reversing. Whether for daily commuting or long trips, The WOLFBOX Smart Mirror Dash Cam combines clarity, convenience, and safety in one sleek, modern design, making it an excellent choice for drivers who value performance and peace of mind. Number 5. The LINGDU 12-inch mirror dash cam is an advanced driving companion designed to enhance safety, clarity, and convenience on every journey. Featuring a 4K UHD front camera and a 2.5K rear camera, it delivers ultra-clear video quality, ensuring critical details like license plates and road signs are captured with precision. The large 12-inch mirror display provides a wider, unobstructed view compared to traditional rearview mirrors. Equipped with ADAS smart features, including blind spot detection, BSD, and lane change assist, LCA, the dash cam actively supports safer driving by alerting you to potential hazards. Built-in GPS tracking records your speed and driving routes, while the G-sensor automatically locks important footage during sudden impacts or collisions. With loop recording, the camera continuously records without worrying about storage limits, overwriting old files as needed. The parking monitoring mode offers added protection when your car is parked, providing peace of mind day and night. Combining smart technology with premium video performance, the LINGDU Mirror Dash Cam is a reliable upgrade for modern drivers.